Hello everyone. We are so back. We are so back. Okay, so loads of things happened and you will get a full lore drop for the first beginning of the stream and then we'll do some game dev. I'm putting the epic intro music because, you know. But yeah, maybe some better music for the lore drop because a lot of things happens. We'll just put Bloom or more extended. Okay, so you may be wondering, why were you gone for so long? Well, a few things happened. I was busy with university first of all, because, you know, things did happen. Context in my last few streams anyway. So yeah, some projects. I also had some issues with my personal life. Not gonna go into details, but we're all good now. And also just lack of motivation to work on the game, honestly. I do graphics, right? And I wanted to focus on the graphics. So yeah, I have a new project. It's just a renderer, but it's not really fun. So I'm gonna do the game as well. But yeah, we're chilling. I got myself a little list of objectives right here that I want to do to improve the workflow and give me some motivation to work back on the game. And hopefully we can get something good going on, like a good demo for day 31. It's my deadline. That's what I'm hoping for, at least. So yeah, let's get this shit started with some more music. Let's put our classic Rainy Day. I'm hoping I'm not muted. Yeah, I'm not muted. Cool. Wait, no, I forgot to put the epic intro music. Fuck. Okay, let me put the intro music back. Hold on. White noise, actual noise. Okay, so my vision. First of all, I don't like my build system, so I want to switch to XMake because XMake is fire. Then I wanna switch to an ECS. I wanna finish up the nav mesh I've been doing, Rework the uploader and texture system to match with something I've been working on recently. Remove scripting, because I'm not gonna need it actually. Add more debug rendering tools. Improve GLTF a bit, and make a profiler. That's about it, honestly. Oh shit. Whoops. Should be better now. Alright. Anyway, rainy day, Animal Crossing. Alright, so we'll start with the basics. We'll switch to Xmake, which it should be pretty easy because Xmake is absolutely fire. EXT. We'll start classic. I won't need that anymore, by the way, because Jesus Christ, this is large. Xmake.lua. Alright, so add roles, mode.debug, mode.release, targets, white noise, set languages, C++ 20, set kind binary. I'll just use what Oni uses, honestly, or Beached. Beached's my new renderer. Yeah, this is pretty good. Yoink, I can even copy that over now. Bless. So copy cache, copy the assets, and copy bin. Alright, so I'm just gonna copy everything over, honestly. Do I have a symbol for debug? Like white noise debug or something? Nope. Doesn't seem like it. Cool. Okay. I'll just remove that. Okay. Then I add all of my syslinks. Alright, so what syslinks do I have? Golly. I'll just put it side by side so I can compare. Okay. So, user32, dxgi, d3d12, dx compiler, fmod vc, fmod studio vc, steam api 64, sdl3, nvtt 30205, discord game sdk, and winpix event runtime. I need to put v.lib at the end. I do need to for some of them. Okay, so .lib, 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 .lib. Okay. Then I just add the files, include directories and defines. Cool. Yoink. To add gph debug render, I need to add it anyway. Having to translate all this can be annoying, but you know, it's for the better. My build system will be actually usable. I don't need this. I don't have SPD log, so I'm GUI. I don't need that. ext steam include SL3 include ext. I know. Recast include ext and vtt. Discord include ext slash pix. Did I do Steam? Yes, it's Steam. ext slash stb. ext/f1/include. Yeah, and also just include. So recast is not found. Why? ext recast. Oh right, it's just recasts. Okay, this should be source. This should already be good enough. No min-max. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, pretty much. Okay. Okay, so that's for the basics. Now I'm gonna need to build a lot of different things. And first thing I'm gonna do is just get rid of the scripting system because I'm not actually using it at all. So wn script, no, you die, and include wn scripts dies as well. No longer used. So here in worlds, it's not in world, it's actually yeah, I do use it in world, I think. World LH. I don't have scripts anymore. Retry. Jeez. Where do they even have scripts? Yeah, there you go. We'll just remove that. Main. Remove scripts. Also, just because AngelScript was like really hard to use, I think I'll just use something like Lua or something. It's easier to embed. Okay, so let's do a single test. Let's just do xmake first. Let's just see what it gives us. Unknown target SPD log. Oh yeah, because I'm adding the dependencies. Right. I'm just trying to see if it compiles. It's a little too loud. Shit, my bad. There you go. Okay, and it's okay, it does compile. A few things though. WN physics, where are you? Because I'm redefining this apparently, which is not good. So remove this and remove this. Let's make sure we have no warnings at all. Okay, debug renderer, just remove this as well. And we'll just remove UTF-8s. Let's try again. Cool, okay, so it compiles, but it doesn't link, obviously. So, one thing we're going to do is we're going to remove run tree. Because here in builds, now we should have our cache and assets all cozy right here, which is cool. We should also copy D3D12. I always forget about this fucking folder. Yeah. I don't even use agility, so I'm not sure why I'm using it, but it's fine. Okay. Right, so now I'm gonna write a little xmake file to compile all the things I'm using here. It'll be quite long, but we'll pull through. I don't like the music. But I want to play something that isn't copyrighted, you know? If it's possible. Aquarium ambiance. That's fire. That's pretty cool. Do we like the ambiance? Is it good? Anyway, also the text here isn't big enough. There you go. Better. It's not centered. Shit. Nice. That's better. Okay. So, back to what we were doing. So again, we'll just compare with what we have in builds. We just gotta have a few projects to do. So, we'll do in order. So, I'm GUI. Add, it's just targets. Targets, I'm GUI. Set kind static, add files. I'm GUI / compilation unit .cpp and add link syslinks d3 d12. We'll just do includes I'm GUI and add depths I'm GUI. Unknown target, but I am include. Oh yeah, shit, I'm done. Le fiche. Oh yeah, right. I'm using SDL. Add include. There's SDL free / include. Okay, so I'm GUI links, no problem. So we'll just do I'm GUIsmo. It's going to add depths of I'm GUI, set kind static, add files, I'm GUI, you know, it's I'm GUIsmo / compilation units.cpp. What up, X-Links? How are we doing today? No dependency, set kind, static, add files, std compilation units.cpp. This should also work. Okay. For once, I'm actually streaming. Who could have thought? Okay, now Jolt is gonna be the big one. Jolt's set kind static. Hopefully this is enough, but this might not be enough. Also need to compile with adds defines gph debug render. Alright, Jolt, please compile. That would be epic. Oh. Right. AABB trail builder. No such file directory. You're right here, dude. What do you mean? Does he like care about casing? This might be the case. Oh. Okay, there you go. Angel script, we don't use it anymore. Then there's recast. Recast was such a mess to compile, by the way. I did not like it. And it's Jolt, no, it's recasts, compilation units, detour.cpp. Here we have recasts, just recasts. Okay, let's X-make this. Okay, everything compiles. Now let's just add the dependencies. I'm GUI, I'm GUIsmo, stb, cgltf, Jolt, detour, and recasts. Okay, Now we're just gonna do adds linkders. It's just going to be, what did I put it to again? It's not bin. I'm gonna have to make one for every single one of these. Oh goddamn. Okay. Build. It's fine. ext/fmelts/lib. ext/steam.lib. ext/free.lib. And ext/pix. Let's try again. Can't find Discord. Did I not write it correctly? Oh, it's .dll.lib. It builds, okay. Now for the moment of truth, let's run it. It works. It works, guys, it works. The shaders are broken, but it works. Can move around. I still have my physics bug, but you know, it sort of works. I should probably fix that, but yeah. Oh, well, the camera, does it work? Hi, Voodoo. Hi. Okay, so the permutation doesn't seem to work, but that's... Okay, so that's not normal as well, because this is supposed to change the camera, but we're gonna switch to ECS anyway, and it's gonna fix a lot of problems. Okay, well, that's great. So what we can do now is we can delete a bunch of things, mostly delete builds and run, and add a few lines to git ignore, mostly .xmake and builds. And now we should be Gucci. Okay, so there you go. Git has been so slow on my PC that I don't even know why. It's just been horribly slow. Git commits. Fix switched to xmake and removed scripting. Git push. There you go. Okay, chat. What we're gonna do is we're gonna finish nav mesh last. We're gonna work on the small, easy things first, so we don't, like, we can have some progress going on and we can be happy. I want to do a few things with the GLTF system to make it a little bit better. Mostly, I'm going to straight up steal a function, an asset that I put right here, traverse node, that is pretty sigma. Void gltf traverse node, tf node, roots, and I'll just pass in a function. JBlow showed Arc VC yesterday on stream, built with Giant, looks pretty good as a fast git perforce whatever alternative game dev. Arc VCS. Written in Jai. Version control system for games.
Hi, I'd like to introduce you to Arc, a new versioning control system with games in mind. It comes as an alternative to Perforce and Git, and its main its main goals are simplicity and performance.
Mm.
Let me show you how easy it is to get started.
Alright, tell me about it.
Arc is a single 5 megabyte executable file which includes server, command line interface, and GUI client.
Damn, okay.
Double-click it to start the GUI client. When it first boots up, you'll have the option to choose a folder for a new workspace. This workspace can have content, but for now we'll just use an empty folder. The easiest way to use Arc, especially if you're testing it out, is to use a built-in server, which means that the GUI client will handle it for you. The email you enter will be your user ID. You now have a version-controlled workspace. Arc will track what happens to this workspace, and whenever there are changes, they'll appear in the Changes panel.
That's cool. My only issue is I'm too dumb to use anything else than Git, so, and I already have like a really good advance on Git on my project right now, so maybe another time, but let's keep it simple for now. I'm too dumb for this. GLTF node, okay. So what's nice with this is I can, what I can do instead is I can do GLTF traverse node model routes. Just make like this, and here I'll just do this. I don't need this anymore. Let's just see if it works first. But it should. If I quit, yeah, it works. Cool. Okay. Node traversal works nice, which is good. This is messy as fuck, by the way. I want to rework this, potentially. Same thing for the camera. Because this is really messy. But thankfully, I know just how to rework it. And this is like part of the uploader rework we're going to be doing. Which will make things way easier. And I'm going to base myself on my render I've been building as well. So we're going to be pretty good. Okay. So here in render, I'll just fix one more thing, is that here we don't actually need to have this ugly ass thing again. Actually, no, we do for this one. Never mind, we do actually need it for this one. Because we take more than just one thing here. But yeah. Actually, we might not need to. But I might just have to, sadly. Anyway. I guess that's the improvement I wanted to make. Just having this simple function. I'm not sure if I actually do anything like this in other parts of the project. I might. I think in main I do, or something. Or in game world updates, I'm not sure. Where I have to iterate through all the nodes, but I'm not sure I'm actually doing this. Okay. Anyway. Gosh, this actually needs a cleanup, genuinely. Okay, so rework uploader and texture system. I'm just going to yoink again what I did in my render because I think it was great. In RHI, my entire uploader is on Sleepanger, so I'm 100% gonna use that. So, here in uploader, we'll make it a bit better, a bit cleaner. Okay, so upload a request type. Path bitmap. Gosh, this is messy. We'll remove this. We'll just do buffer test buffer. We'll do buffer staging buffer or texture DST texture. And also that's about it. And for the contexts, I'll do the same thing that I did here because I think it was pretty cool. Yeah, there you go. And that's honestly all I need. So here I have an NQ that we're going to change. Also, this is ugly. We'll just do uploader. Uploader NQ texture. Yep. And we'll take an image or uncompressed bitmap. Sorry. I really need to rename this as well because this is just a bitmap. Compressor notes. Texture, DST texture. NQ buffer. Just const void data. U64 size. And buffer, test buffer. Like this. This will be way cleaner, will make way more sense in a second. Also, there's one thing I need to check first if I'm doing it properly in command lists. Yeah, I am doing it correctly here. Cool. Okay, that's what I wanted to see. Nice, okay. So, here, upload.cpp, we need to change a lot. But it will be way cleaner. I don't know why I'm even loading it here, but I guess I can do that as well. Doesn't really matter, does it? Job dot type equals upload request type like this. Upload request type texture. Here we'll load the thing. This will just be, we'll have a uncompressed bitmap. DST texture. This is just texture. Yeah. And we'll make a staging buffer containing all the things we need. That I put right here. Yes, sir. Nice. Okay. Yoink. Actually, I might need to make it a bit more complicated, but mip levels, blah, 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 blah. But bitmap has the levels anyway. Yeah, okay, we're fine. This should really belong in the... I cannot rewrite this everything from scratch, I'm not gonna lie. What we're gonna do anyway is we're just gonna put this in D3D12. Because it makes way more sense to put it here. I can't lie. So this will just die. Rework the entire uploader. D3D12, where are you? Here. Okay. Notes on a uploader. I have a GPU wait. Surely I have something like, or it's video, yeah, video wait, okay. So upload enqueue texture. Yup. Desk.mip levels. Oh, right, yeah, okay. Duh. So I'm going to copy this. No reason not to. Also, there should be something on top that's like uploader, CTX uploader. Staging buffer, I don't need that. Size, dried, buffer type copy. I have something for readback, I think. Yep. And here we just have the name. I'm just gonna call this staging buffer. This should be a U32, this should be a U64. And this should just be DXT texture resource get desk. Type DST texture. So here we made staging buffer, but here we don't want to assign it that way. Just do this. Okay. U8. This is U8. This is bitmap dots. I not call it bitmap. Oh yeah, I forgot to load it. Uncompressed bitmap. Might wants to put it. Actually, no, I don't need to take the path. I can just ask for a bitmap. Because we upload it anyway. Like this. Gucci. Bitmap.pixels.data. Requests should just be buffer map. Just request.staging buffer 0 0. Buffer unmap. Request.staging buffer 0. This is not aligned. What the hell is going on here? This is terribly not aligned. What the fuck is going on? Spaces converts to spaces, indents using spaces for. No, this is still disgusting. What is going on? I think it's just this. Yeah. Okay, and uploader dot jobs dot pushback. Okay. Like this. Now for buffer, it's gonna be way more simple. Yeah. Uploader.buffer request plus plus. upload job, we'll do uploader dot job dot pushback job dot type equals upload request type buffer job dot tst buffer dot tst buffer inits job dot staging buffer type copy 0. You know, there's the size first. False staging buffer map job dot staging buffer 0 0 void data. Why are we not happy? What did I do again? Stride, right, there you go. Yeah. Mem copy mapped data size buffer on map job dot staging buffer, and we are good. At least for the actual too many arguments. Why? What? Oh, right. Like this. Size, stride, buffer type, read back, and name. Cool. Let me just check something real quick. All right. So for flushing, we'll just iterate for all this. If uploader dot requests, dot job dot empty, return. I'm gonna make a timer. T timer inits T. And just do log. What did I call it again? Just log, I think. Yeah. Flushed uploader in seconds. I have something like this, I think, a macro for that. Seconds. Do I not have a macro to convert to seconds? Because surely I do somewhere. Timer. Timer seconds, right. Duh, silly me. So here we start a timer. We'll also do log flushing uploader d texture requests buffer request, and we'll just do context texture requests uploader dot buffer requests. And after the flush, we should do a little clear. So uploader dot texture request equals 0, uploader dot buffer request equals 0. And for auto requests, uploader dot jobs buffer free requests dot staging request dot clear. Yeah. And command buffer free. Actually, can we even? Yeah. Okay, I do have one. We'll just do requests dots or uploader dot command buff. Okay. Then I just command buffer begin. And so then we can just, yeah, yoink, switch requests dot type. Thank God I wrote that shit before, because that would be a pain to write myself, I can't lie. There you go. All right. So requests dot staging buffer. This is just DST buffer, staging buffer, DST buffer, resource layout. How do I even call it? What layouts do I have? Do I even have an interface for that? For barrier? Oh no, I don't. Okay. D312 resource states copy dests. This is copy source, and this will be uploader plus command buff. Yeah, staging buffer, okay. Like this, easy enough. Change the same thing here, but here this will be image barrier. CDSC texture, and same thing here. The concept of static in C++. Wait, hold on, let me just finish that. All shader resource. So, static has a bunch of meanings, but I think the most common way to explain is that it's global to the whole program, in a way, right? It's hard to explain with my own words, actually. Let me look it up to see how they would explain static C++. Right, so, yeah, okay, another example is if, for instance, you want to have a variable inside a function that is global, but only accessible within that function, you can do that, right? So here, this value I low-key have no idea because I never use static anyway. But yeah, in a function where space for it gets allocated for the lifetime of the program, right? So in the data section, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, basically, yeah. Voila. Basically. What's my submit function again? Yeah, command key submit, I forgot. Video dot queue, graphics queue, and this is just uploader dot command buff. Yeah, exactly. But honestly, a simple example was just something like this, right? So if you call count once, a will be equal to 1. If you call count twice, a will be equal to 2, even though it's the same function you initialize it to 0 here, right? Alright, so now that we nuked the uploader, also I should probably add some hello. So in main we don't use this anymore. Where's main? What the fuck? Uploader is dead. Instead, we just do uploader flush. Where do I use it to? So here I'm gonna be batching every single upload. So it's way faster. Way faster. And let's just fix the remaining errors. We should be good. Resource cache. So one last thing. This, we're going to change this because this is not okay. We don't need the staging anymore. We can just do uploader enqueue buffer. We'll do vertices.data, vertices.size times size of GLTF vertex, and else.vertex buffer. Same thing here for the index buffer. Don't need to push that anymore. Because here we're batching everything, but this is cringe. This is not good. Remove this. Because now we handle these ourselves. And now it should hopefully work. I think it should work at least. Xmake. Please don't crash. That would not be epic. Shit. Well, we have progress. Still good. Okay, so one thing though is I'm gonna have to change the path here because it doesn't exist anymore. This is gonna be Xonder, white noise, builds, Windows, x64. This should be a debug build, by the way. Xmake f mode equals debug. Probably why my shader permutations are broken, by the way, but honestly, we're fine. As I was saying, Xonder, white noise, build, Windows, debug, white noise. And that's also our working directory. Right, tell me why it crashes. Failed to get shader reflection. Missing entry point. Did I? Oh, I forgot to copy the shaders. Bruh. I'd be so dumb sometimes. Okay, so why are you not happy? NQ texture. Resource. Huh. Wait, are you telling me that I'm creating the texture? I used to create the texture in the resource cache? That would be insane. Oh, wow, I did. Damn. Oh, wow, okay, texture init. I did not know that. Bitmap.width. Bitmap.height. DXGI formats. PC7. Flags. What flags do I even have? No flags, I guess. Levels, bitmap.levels, no copy, and just use the path as the name. Let's try again. Okay, we do have another crash. Why? Null pointer specified. Resource bearer null pointer. Staging buffer, DST buffer. Huh. Null pointer specifieds. Which one though? So it's not source, so it's DST. No, all of them are. Huh? Both of them are correct though. So he doesn't like the barrier. Request.dst buffer. Null pointer. Huh. And so does it just remove my device? I guess it does. Damn. Okay. I'll probably just forgot something somewhere. And I think I know why. First of all, let me just make sure I don't lose any time and initialize this properly. Still a crash, okay. Staging buffer, I do initialize it, yeah? Yeah, I do. You get me, and I get you. Together, there's nothing really we can do. I got your back, I got yours too. Do 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 do. Huh? How is that wrong in any way? Pardon? Excuse me? That's curious. And same thing, null pointer specified. I should really name these, but you know. No, this is still valid. I don't know where it's tweaking, so I guess maybe it's the DST buffer that's not happy. Yeah, oh yeah, ooh, ooh, ooh. That does not look right at all. Equals DST buffer. Yeah, no engine at all. Nothing. From scratch. Absolutely nothing. Just the bare will of my soul. It's still weird how this just does not work for some reason. Did I forget something? GLTF. That is so weird. How is that a null pointer access whatsoever? I'm so dumb. Oh my god. Copy buffer to texture, you idiots. Of course. Jesus. Ah, man. Now this should work. Hopefully. Please work. Fuck. Okay. Still null pointer, but I don't know why, because it is not a null pointer. But again, this is definitely not correct, because what the hell is that? But this is valid though, huh? So it just corrupts itself for some reason? That would make more sense, honestly. I do be an idiot sometimes. So for some reason this crashes, but I don't know why. Because this line crashes, but if I just remove it, what happens? Imagine, this works. No, it doesn't. Hmm. I'm guessing it's still the same issue. It's gonna be like, null pointer specified. Huh? What do you mean null pointer specified? Do we have a name for the buffer potentially? What is your name? No name? No name. Great. Well, this is valid somehow. Or I guess this is just garbage, which is it would explain a lot of things. Yeah, I think this is just garbage, which is why it's kind of tweaking. Yeah, no, this is just garbage. So that means that somehow this breaks, but I am not sure why. Wait, I might have an idea. No, hold on, this can't be right. No, this can't be right. So the buffer upload sucks. I mean, I'm mapping it. I am pushing the job. Am I doing anything different here? No, just make the buffer copy and send it. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Just for good measure. Huh. Huh. But I'm setting it here though, the fuck? Wait, let me go into this function and see what it does. This is correct. This is correct. I can just go into job. Yeah, I mean, no, this makes sense so far, and just crashes. So I guess it just goes out of scope for some reason. Okay, the fuck? What the sigma? Huh? I have never seen this before. Let me try something completely stupid, because if it works, it's really funny. But I don't think it's the issue. Imagine. Am I a genius or not? Using random C++ stuff to see if it works. Absolute genius. Destination buffer. Yeah, but this is correct though. Like, what the hell? NQ buffer. And it's the barrier that dies as well, which is weird. Is he maybe thinking that the staging buffer is dead? I'm kind of confused. Wait, let's go into each command and see which one breaks. So here it's already not happy. Let's try again. Okay, so it is the first one that actually crashes. So destination buffer is indeed dead for some reason, but yet it's still something valid. You know, I said it myself. And the staging buffer is correct. So it just dies somehow. Somehow. Question is how and why. I'm gonna try something a bit dumb, but if it works, it's really funny. Let's see. Imagine. Okay, no, still doesn't work. Cool. Still, what is going on, man? I'm so confused. Oh, progress. What the fuck? Has reserved bit sets. We actually have progress. What the fuck? Before after mismatch. Oh, we have progress somehow, but still. Wow, this is really wrong. What the hell? But that does mean it comes from that, actually. Which is good news, I guess. Damn. What the fuck? Reserved bits sets. Am I not setting it correctly? Hold on. We're gonna fix this, bro. We're gonna fix this. Surely. Gosh, this is so fucking messy as well. Jesus Christ. This is not pretty to watch. Here we set the states. Yeah. Resource alloc. And resource alloc sets the state as well. Wait, does it actually set the fucking states? Wait, no, hold on. Okay, it does. I'm tweaking. What is going on, dude? Because here, if I take a look at Beached again, because Beached is still a great resource. GLTF. Yeah, just yoink it, bro. But I guess it's the fact that here it's a pointer. I should really switch to maybe shared pointers because it would be probably easier to manage, but let's not think about it. Actually, let's just make it a pointer like everybody else. So it's easier to manage. This will be a null pointer, this will be a null pointer. So at least the lifetime actually makes sense and lasts for the whole program. Like this. And here we do that and we actually delete those. And here in render we might have to change a few things, mostly the fact that this, there you go, xmake. Let's try again. And now it should work because the pointer is coherence. Look, no crash. Still crash, okay. Wow, that's great. Has reserved bits set, but what the fuck does that mean? Reserved bits sets. What? I am not using stream outs. The hell? Bro, the fuck? And so removes my device. Okay, that's totally makes sense. Okay, hold on. Let me go back into the upload. Let me take a look at a random upload and see what goes inside. Yeah, see now this works. Staging buffer. Huh? But this works though. What? Has reserved bit sets. What the fuck does that mean? D3D12 resource states has reserved bit states. Huh? Cause this is an error. Resource manipulation, resource bearer reserved bits. What are you talking about, bro? What the hell? Oh my god, no way. Is it this that he's not happy with? I guess. No, because this doesn't make any sense to do that. Is that like reserved? Let me Google that. Reserved internal. No, I mean it's meant to be used, you know? No, cause the fuck? I mean, what I can do, I guess, is I can, cause this is, no, cause still this doesn't make sense at all. But here it's set to common, so I'm not. Huh? What the hell, brother? Hello? It does it again here. Is it because I do textures first? Might be. Let me put this both ways. There you go. So the first one is needed texture. So UID states common, staging buffer is in common as well. Okay. Staging buffer common. Cool. Here we'll do the texture upload. Cool. Boom. Boom. Okay, here no problem. Common. Let me just do request instead so I can look specifically which one causes the weird error. Ha! This is texture, never mind. Okay. Why is that stream out? Hello? Huh? Excuse me? Am I forgetting to... No, I'm setting the state right here. What the Huh? Pardon me? Wait, am I forgetting something? Formats, resource flags. So So here it's just 0. I'm setting this. Oh. Ah. Fuck my life. Okay. Song request. Sure. Hit me with it. Send it on the Discord. Hold on. Oh yeah, that works too. Okay, let's see. I hope this is PG friendly. Real. My constant state of mind when programming. It works! My uploader works! Fuck them bitches! Easy. Well, there you go. Anyway, this is already copyrighted, so let's keep it non-copyrighted by putting some Mario music. Surely this isn't copyrighted. Anyway, this is done. God, this is satisfying. Fuck this. Beep-bop. Nice, okay. Beep-bop, beep-bop. Beep-bop, beep-bop. Tomodachi. Beep-bop. 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 Beep-bop, beep. Suki. Kimi no koto. Beep-bop. 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 Beep-bop, beep. Ai. Shite. Boku no koto. Alright, now we have a few options of what we could do. First of all, is switch that music because it's cool for like 1 second, but then, you know, it gets kind of boring. Let's just put some Silent Hill stuff. Okay, so what I'm kind of doing the most is finishing the nav mesh in VECS. So I want to add a profiler. And what is the best profile on the market is, of course, Optick. We love Optick. Optick is low-key fire, so we're going to add Optick. Play around with it, and we'll be fine. And we'll do these on another stream because I'm getting tired. Let me push that first. Git commits reworks uploader. So thankfully, I don't think I need to. Do I actually need to compile that? I think I might have to. But thankfully, this looks pretty cool. Okay. So we'll look at the releases and we'll also just download the code. Download zip. I should probably go into the stream manager. Stream manager, there you go. You can actually see the files in real time. But I don't think we got any files recently. One thing I will do though, is this person is going to be banned and unmods. And this person will also be banned and unmod. There you go. Now it's cleaner. So, yoink. And give me the license, please. Thank you. We'll just do target Optick, set kind static, add files Optick / everything.cpp, and add include theirs. I don't think I need that actually. And I guess we'll just remove the Vulkan part because we don't actually want Vulkan. Adds defines use Optick and Optick enabled GPU D3D12. Xmake. But you're not even enabled. Why are you? Huh? You are not enabled, bro. You are not enabled. And I want you to enable the GPU, please. Did they say something stupid? No, it's just my ex. LOL. That's about it. Alright, so here we'll just add a dependency. Also the person who made the emotes for this channel, so you know, it's kind of sad, but you know, at least the emotes are nice. We'll take it. Yeah, it is what it is. It was nice when it lasted. I honestly just want to delete this because I'm not gonna use it at all. Okay, so for Optick, I don't know how I should actually initialize it. Samples. Windows D3D. Ew. How do I initialize it? Oh, I don't even need to. That's cool. Okay. Okay, so here I go into my main. Here, let's just do Optick shutdown. I guess so. I don't even need to initialize it. So here I do Optick frame main thread. Right. And here in attach file, I don't care about that. Gosh, this is interesting. There was Optick events, right? So All right. Then this is the render. Oh, is it GPU context? Yeah, GPU context, and you just do frame dots command buffer lists. I guess I should also put this here. And we'll also do Optick, events, Discord callbacks. Alright, so now, do I have Optick on my PC? I don't, okay. Just grab a release and we should be good. Extract everything to Windows. I'll just call this Optick. Let's try it out. Am I leaking my IP by doing this? I don't think I am. I hope not. By security. Wait. Nah, this can't be my IP. I don't think so. Otherwise, you know. Too bad. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Connection failed. Crashed? Oh. That's curious. Huh? God damn, how did you know it was French? Stop. Was so not obvious, of course. Okay. And here it works, okay. So I just want one frame potentially. Just give me one frame. Okay, so where the fuck are my GPU updates, Phil? Game render. But no, I guess this isn't too slow. Which is cool. It's good to know. Well, where the fuck is my GPU frame? Not that it matters, but still, you know. Maybe because I should actually Optick GPU. Nah. I think I should put the context before the events. This is why. Let's try again. There you go, game render. That's, yeah, I mean, there's vsync, so that's why. 13 milliseconds, yeah, that's the performance targets, okay. So now what we can do is we can add more stuff. For instance, audio updates. Optick events. Audio updates. Also, I think I should be clearing the contacts here. Okay. Gosh, intelligence is actually really stupid. I hate it. Okay, let's try. Yeah, so physics takes the most time, obviously, which makes sense. But yeah, audio physics worlds. Well, there you go, nice little profiler I have now. So if I ever have something awfully slow, I can check it here now. Nice. I really need to make a new level, by the way, because this is horribly ugly, but it's fine. Nice. One thing though that I don't understand is why is there a fucking empty thing between that and that? I might be forgetting to track something, and I need to know what that is. I guess it has to be that, but still, that would be so stupid. But, you know, at this point, might as well try it out. Like that. And let's see. I forgot to run. No, still have our little weird ass empty spot right here, which is kind of odd. Well, I guess it's not too bad if I'm not providing absolutely everything, but you know. It's whatever. Cool, what goes like before game updates and nothing. There's nothing here. Oh, video begin, I guess. That would be crazy if it's that. Imagine if it's actually that. I'm going insane if if video begin is the thing taking so much time between the. Nah, surely not, right? Zoom in. Dude. Show me this frame. Can't even see anything else now. No, there's still a gap. Oh well, it's fine. You know what? It's fine. I still have my profiler, which is pretty cool. Everything is working well. I'm happy. I still need to fix this collider thing because it's so weird why it doesn't work, and I don't know why, because the raycast always works first try, but somehow this doesn't. Something to fix. But yeah. How long have we been streaming for? Almost 2 hours. I think it might be time to go. But yeah, I'm glad that it works at least. Not much progress on the outside, but we have some things going on that might make the workflow easier for the future, which is good news. Alright, done. And we'll add ECS for the next stream. Why Optick over Tracy is just the one I'm more familiar with, honestly. I've been using, yeah, I've been using Optick more than Tracy, so. Git commits, adds, added Optick, git push. So next stream, ECS. Whole stream is gonna be ECS. Then probably nav mesh. Yeah. Just making it cleaner. But yeah, good stream. Glad to be back. I'll try to be more constant when it comes to streaming because I've been on and off. But yeah, I'm motivated now to go back to streaming on this game. Yeah. And yeah, I'll just see you guys next time. Probably tomorrow or maybe the day after. Alright, bye guys. Bye bye.